Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Creeper DOS virus. Now it's important to note before we start that this is not the I'm the Creeper, catch me if you can virus that's always mentioned as being one of the first pieces of malware ever. This is actually a relatively simple COM file infector which has a neat effect in May. So we're going to go ahead and run Creeper. So we get a message saying that this was a sacrificial goat file. If you're not familiar with those, antivirus researchers will use a file that just prints this benign message and then leave it as bait so that the virus can infect it. So you see the size listed in bytes. If that size changes after another program is run, you can tell that there's probably something viral attached to that program, which is now attached to your sacrificial goat program. So now that we've run this infected goat, we can now infect our PC. Let's take a look at our old friend, Virus.DOS.Creeper. As always, 19,742 bytes. When we run it, we should see the file size increase. Oh, we don't. But I have a theory. There were some viruses that would just pick one random file to infect when an infected file is run. So I'm just going to run Creeper a whole bunch of times and see what happens. I can hear it doing things on the disk. So I'm just going to keep running Creeper, and then we're going to check graphics.com and see if it's bigger than 19,742 bytes. Go Creeper, go. Okay. So there we go. We did it. So graphics.com is now 20,311 bytes. So please pardon my ignorance, but I'm glad we did finally see graphics.com get infected, which is the true hallmark of any good Dan DOS virus video. Now that we've thoroughly infected this computer, let us change the date. Creeper activates on any Monday in May, so let's find one. Wow, good guess. Okay, we're going to go ahead and restart so you can all hear the seek test and truly get the Creeper DOS virus underway. Wait for it. There it is. Should probably take the disk out. Oops. Okay, we're back in DOS. int10h hooked just means this program that I'm using makes DOS run at 60 frames per second to make it look better on the camera. So that's not related to the virus, don't worry about that. Let us run graphics. So, you can tell it took a little bit longer. There was a little more hard drive activity. So when graphics run, it found the virus, ran that alongside graphics. So now the virus is back in memory. Let's see. I don't see any obvious effects of Creeper yet. So let's keep running graphics until we do. And believe me, you will notice this. Did you see what happened? Let's keep running. Oh. If you couldn't tell from the DOS prompt, we're missing our O. Let's keep on running it. Oh, there goes A. We're running grfix. grphi-s. Let's keep on going. Just keep on running it. Let's do a directory listing now. Or a dr/w. Oh. file. Alright. So, what's happening? On Mondays in May, when an infected file is run, it will pick one random character in the current font set and make it invisible. And the more you run it, the more characters wind up disappearing. So with a thoroughly infected PC like this, we can just run Creeper, and we can continue seeing letters disappearing even from the existing DOS directory listing that we already had above. And the more we run it, the more messed up this will get. And I have a feeling that mixing this with some other viruses would be pretty cool, like Techno or Cascade. So maybe that's an idea for a future upcoming video. If you're interested in that, please let me know, because I'm really running out of ideas. It's only so long you can run these same viruses over and over. Keep it fresh, right? How many times we've run techno on this channel? Alright. We're almost done, don't worry. Alright, we're down to running P, so I'd say this computer is pretty thoroughly unusable. Ooh, edit's looking good. Alright, let's see here. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So, it doesn't look great. When you reboot, your characters will be back, but again, if it's Monday in May still, the more you run, the more messed up it's gonna get. So if you only run a few programs every day, like you come into work in the morning, you just run your finance program, you might not see much go wrong. Maybe an odd character or two missing, but if you're me, you end up with this, which is always a lot of fun. That is about it for the Creeper DOS virus. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.